ballerina. Watch me dance now.
Okay, man, we're gonna scare your fans away.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to say thank you to all of those who are subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like, and make sure you see my prior video, which is my giveaway video. If you're over 18 and in the US and subscribe to me, you are eligible to enter, so go ahead, definitely comment on that video and enter, and I'm going to be doing the giveaway on Thanksgiving Day, so make sure you mark that on your calendars and stay tuned. But for today, I have two new dolls from Amazon. They are by the brand Rebornova. So we're gonna go ahead and open them up and see what's inside.
And we'll link that video with the giveaway in the description, video description. Make sure you comment on that video, not this video, in regards to entry.
So doll number one. Aw, she's very cute.
You're suffocating.
she's pretty big. These are Rebornova dolls. They're actually, from all I've seen, they've actually been very large. So she comes with this little bag. She comes with a hamper and a onesie. Very cute. And comes with a little tag. Just saying it's a warning for children under 3 and a birth certificate, so you get the card information on there. Very cute. So we'll go ahead and we'll bring her out of the bag. And we have a bottle here and a magnetic pacifier as well. So she looks like a little ballerina baby. She wants, look at, she's even on her tiptoes. Look at her. Yeah, she is. She's a ballerina baby. I'm a little ballerina. Watch me dance now. I'm a little ballerina. Watch me dance now.
Okay, man, we're gonna scare your fans away.
I was just having fun with her. I think she's the Liam sculpt. I could tell that by her face because I do have another doll that has that same sculpt. But her hair is actually rooted. And she looks like she's kind of going bald in the back a little bit, but I mean, what do you expect for the price? I mean, I think she's still good for the price that she was. And her body's cloth. She's got full limbs. She's vinyl from head to toe. She is posable, which is kind of cool. So you can go ahead and sit her down.
She looks drunk.
No, she doesn't. She's very cute.
She's on acid.
So you could sit her, you could stand her, whatever you want to do. And where's her pacifier? I like how she sits up on her own too. She
looks spaced out, man.
No, she doesn't. I think she's adorable. So if you want little ballerina girl for your collection, I will include the product link in the video description below. So
look at me, over here, right here. Look at my eyes. The girl's stoned.
She's looking at you now.
She's stoned, man.
Little ballerina girl. Okay, so doll number 2. We have...
Oh, she's kind of cute.
Aw, I do. I like her face expression. Oh, she's adorable, but she's also very big too. We have this cute little rainbow and unicorn onesie. I do like that.
Cute.
That's adorable. We got a little diaper right there. And another birth certificate and the warning tag that it's not for under 3 years old. We have a bottle. And her pacifier. We'll just leave that right there. We'll leave it for a minute. Yeah, she's cute. I like her. She's got a cute face. She looks like she's up to no good, doesn't she?
Like an alien that ate a lemon. Got sour face.
No, I really
that is
love
pure
her
sour
outfit.
face.
Yeah, she ate a lemon. She's got a sour face.
She does. She's like an alien.
No, I really like her though. But I love her outfit. Her outfit is so cute. It's a
Mini boss.
Mini boss babe. Mini boss babe. And she has the same thing, the cloth body. She has full limbs. Again, it's the vinyl material. Their arms aren't posable, but their legs are. So, I mean, you can make them sit or stand. This one actually has a little tag on her back, too. But her hair is rooted. I like her hair actually better than hers. Her hair is a lot more thicker. But yeah, it actually looks pretty realistic. But her little headband, I like that.
Sassy.
Yep, she's got a cute face.
You're like, girl, I know you ain't talking to me and looking at me like that.
So I do. I like both of them. I like little ballerina girl and I like little Miss Sourpuss over here. So, and their feet and their hands, they're actually really nicely detailed.
They look actually real. Like
yeah, they do. They look so real. Yeah. And the hands are nicely painted as well. Very, very nice dolls for the price. This one too, same thing. Toes are nicely painted. They look real. And they're shiny. You know, they're not overdone or anything. They're just perfect. Let me know which one you think is your favorite. And again, I will include the product links in the video description below. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also see my giveaway video. And again, that link will also be in the video description below. Make sure you enter because I will close it on Thanksgiving. That's the day that we're going to do it. So thanks so much for watching. Bye!
They look sad. They look really sad. They're just staring at me.
Oh.
Let's just have a staring contest. Stare at Carrie's fans and see who wins. Dude, if you look at perspective right here, man, this is just wrong.
But you know what? They're also weighted too. I noticed that too. So they do have a good weight to them as well. So.
All right, we won.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.